Micro, caméra, boum boum boum. Okay, so um, hello hello. Hi. So today is October 30. Tomorrow is Halloween, slut Halloween, where a lot of girls will become slutty, which I liked 20 years ago because that's when I could get laid. But anyway, that will be for another story and another day. And today let's talk about Sora. Sora dropped OpenAI dropped a massive bomb yesterday. We can finally create fake consistent character in Sora. So the TLDR, the too long didn't read of that video is UGCs and influencers that don't have at least a 8 out of 10 charisma, they are dead. They are done. It's over for them. They should go back to a 9 to 5 because we can finally create fake, realistic looking characters and consistent characters and create for that character a TikTok and an Instagram account and post a lot, which means we don't need to work with ambassadors and to work with low charisma influencers anymore. Okay, so let me give you a quick demonstration. Okay. Okay, so this woman, she's fake. That's a prompt that I did. Pretty Gen Z blonde woman vlog. What I eat in a day in Bali. And that's her. She's pretty. She's blonde. Okay. There is an issue with the synchronization between the audio and what we see on screen when it's fast-paced, which we can fix with a video editing software, or if you use a JSON prompt to say basically like first 2 seconds show that and then she will say that. For example, if I go to Soril, use the prompt generator, I will say pretty. Actually, like I'm going to use the exact same prompt. Shut up. I'm going to use the exact same pretty Gen Z blonde woman. Nana. Text on screen, okay. Talking, okay. 10 seconds, okay. So that's a tool that is available on soril.app. That's free. You are welcome, I guess, because a lot of people ask me what prompt do I use to make the extremely good videos that I am making with Sora. That's the template, that's the prompt template we use with Burak, my co-founder. Is in Thailand right now getting some shisha while I am doing marketing. Fuck you, Burak. So so. And basically, from that simple prompt, it will generate this Aikido ninja JSON prompt. It will specify for you the scene, the camera, the motion, the pace, lightning. You can edit whatever you want. And what is the most important is the timeline. Timeline basically like to tell Sora what the character should what the video should show at what timestamp and what the character should say at one timestamp. So that basically there is as always a synchronization between what the characters what we see on the video and what the character or the voiceover says. If that makes sense. Anyway, let's go back to why UGC and influencers with low charisma will not like. Yeah, I don't speak English. Fuck English. Okay. And basically, when you made your first video, you can click here on the three horizontal dots, and you click on create character. Then it will ask you to select a few seconds from that video. You click next, and then you will give a name to your character. You will give a username to your character. Okay. So that's how we create some cameo. So this character, that one, the one I created, I named her Stopper Bali 1, and the name it's Sunny Bites. Why not? But if I want to use her in prompt, in future prompts, it will be like it will be at stopper underscore Bali 1. And that's her right now. Okay. I'm going to explain why this. Okay, so we can right now create consistent character in SORA. Um, in the marketing world, it's as big as a jump. I don't know, but that's insane. That's huge. I mean, that's huge. That's huge. Like anyone who has a Sora account can create a fake, realistic looking influencers and post AI slop in mass on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube Short and Snapchat. Insane. Okay. Second feature. Second feature that got released today by OpenAI is the stitch feature. So why did you see that one, that girl, and this one is because I was testing basically the stitch feature. It's basically to merge videos. So if you select two videos, it will take the first video and then put at the end of the first video the second video. You can stitch as many videos as you want. You can even stitch, for some reason that I don't know, and that's a bug, videos that got denied by the Sora engine. Don't do it because that would be stupid. Okay, but as you can see, you can stitch as many video as you want. Actually no. Like I can't stitch. Ah, that's great. So I'm going to select a bit less. Okay, so it was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we can select up to 5 15-second video. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, okay. Because those ones are 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think the limit of the stitching is between 20 and 30 seconds. Okay, so that's great. You can make, for example, actually that's something that I posted earlier today on Twitter. Use case, and by the way, that's just one use case. There are an infinite amount of use cases. Generate with your Cameo influencers one short video per scene. You can stitch them all together to get one long form. I mean, long form probably probably up to 30 seconds. Imagine an influencer vlog, what I eat in a day in Bali, with 3 scenes. First scene, serve breakfast. Second, gym lunch. Third, sunset and dinner. It will stitch them together back to back. So first video, and then right after the end, second. I mean, you can do that with video editing software, but right now you can do it in Sora. the numbers of videos we can stitch together seems very high. So when I tested that 16 minutes ago, that was true. I could stitch up to 8 videos, but right now, OpenAI did something, and we can stitch until the total duration, the cumulative duration of the videos is 30 seconds. I think it should be around the 20 seconds and 30 seconds. Okay? But anyway, consistent character, huge, 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 huge. Fire your UGC, fire your ambassador, fire your influencer, fire like all of your ambassadors that are making on average less than 1,000 views per video. Fire their ass. Fire their ass, because right now you can recreate them better, cheaper, at scale, in French, English, Spanish, Russian. That's insane. Okay, cool. Now, quick self promotion. So as you can see in Sorel, we have a prompt generator that is free to use. Welcome. And there is a cool update that you will love. You will absolutely love. You can upload at once multiple Sora video. Okay. And for each video, you can specify if you want to upscale the video, enhance the audio, remove the Sora watermarks. Because as you can see, even if I have a Sora 2 Pro account, when I generate a video with a fake cameo, even if I generate a video with a cameo, with a character that doesn't exist, it will insert Sora watermarks. So you will download that video, and then you will import that video, and you will enable remove watermarks. Okay. So you can to remove the watermarks, you can either, that's up to you. Actually, that's up to you. You can download, okay, and then drop here. Or if you want to be like a bit faster and better quality for the watermark and video processing, you can post in the public domain, public Sora domain, your video. You take the link, okay, and you paste the link. So you can do that with same as here. You can do that with multiple URLs, with multiple videos at once. Cool. Okay. And then for each video, you specify the optimizations you want, and then you click. Burak, I'm broke. I don't have enough money on my test account. I'm broke. Okay. I don't want that one anymore. Okay. Now I have enough money to process 4 videos. Actually, that will be like either that one, or either via URL or either via upload right now. But I'm going to tell Burak, and Burak, if you watch that video, there is a bug live. Look, Burak, there is a bug live. I think if we import one URL and 4 uploaded videos, we should process 5 videos, not 4. Bug. So stop your shisha, please, and stop your Thai massage, and go back to work. Go back to your basement. And code. Okay, cool. So and then when your video will be processed, it will take. Based on the optimizations that you have selected, video, audio, watermark, or etc., it will take at most 5 minutes per video, and then you can check the quality and you can download, etc., etc. If you want to use our API, because since this week we have an API on SORA, our API documentation. So you go to soril.app, you go to API, etc., and then you can see that, if you call our endpoint with your API key, you can process with one request multiple videos, and for each video you can specify if you want to remove the watermark, to enhance the audio, to enhance the video, and it will spoof the metadata for you, so that TikTok and Instagram and TikTok Short and Snapchat will not know this content that has been. They will not know that is a content generated by AI, by SORA, which is better for you, right? Okay. What else? Ah, yeah. How to show frequently asked question. How to show my app screen in the SORA videos? Great question. So in the context, you can add just one picture so far, not multiple pictures, but let's say that you add your app screenshot, and let's say that you want your Cameo to show the app on screen. On the video, your app screenshot will not look like the image you imported in context. So the way to work around that is using stopper app showing green screen phone on screen. What is a green screen? So you go to for example, green screen phone. Oh my god. Okay, so perfect. So that's basically that. She will show on screen, or like she will show like to the camera. That will depend of your prompt, of your long JSON prompt, or if it's first person view, like here. Green screen, perfect. And then with your video editor software, you can replace this green screen with your image screenshot or with your video screenshot. I think that's the most consistent way right now to show your SaaS, if you have like a desktop SaaS, or app phone on your screen. Something that I forgot to show. I will show you right now. Otherwise, Burak, my co-founder, will kick my ass. Soril is working on mobile web as well. Okay, so you can download your videos from SORA app, and then you can import your videos directly on SORA app on SORA.app from your phone. Welcome. Okay, that's all for today. If you have questions, let me know. Yeah, sorry. I have to ask for some comments to get some more views. I am an algorithm bitch. Let me know in the comments if you have some question. And that's it for today. And I will, and if there are some more updates, I will make a video on Saturday, Sunday. Like if there are some more SORA updates or more Soril updates. Okay, thank you.